Who wins if pi to the power of it equals 100? Let's solve this like math detectives. First, we log both sides. Don't worry, it's just a fancy way to bring a down from its hiding spot. The power rule says log of pi to the equals a times log of pi. Now is trapped. Psst, 100 is secretly 10 squared, so log of 100 equals 2 times log of 10. And guess what? Log of 10 equals 1, because 10 to the first power equals 10. Now we've got equals 2 divided by log of pi. Since log of 10 equals 1, it disappears like magic. Time for numbers. Log of pi is approximately 0.497. So is approximately 2 divided by 0.497, which is about 4.02. Let's check. Pi to the 4.02 is approximately 100.0. Yes, math is awesome. Remember, I is just log of 100 divided by log of pi, and log of 100 equals 2. Now you try. Solve 2 to the power of it equals 8 in the comments. Subscribe for more math magic.